Some people are born with leadership qualities. They are courageous and have immense physical strength and a spirit of dominance in combat. These people are always eager to pursue adventurous activities. They may have Ruchak Yoga in their horoscope chart. They usually stand apart from the crowd merely based on their appearance and charisma. Ruchika Yoga in astrology. Ruchika Yoga is a type of Panch Mahapurush Yoga, five royal yogas in Vedic astrology. It is the first among Panch Mahapurush Yoga. The Panch Mahapurush Yoga is created by the five planets other than luminary planets, namely Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus. The planet that forms the Ruchak Yoga is the powerful Mars that can boost your passion and confidence. You gain the riches of the world and enjoy a life full of adventure. How is Ruchka Yoga formed? The combination of ascendant signs and Mars placed in the first, fourth, seventh, or 10th house of the birth chart from the Ruchka Yoga in the horoscope chart. The only requirement for this yoga is that the planet Mars must hold a strong position in the natal chart. However, the actual strength of this yoga depends on the cardinal house in which this yoga is formed. It will be more powerful if it is formed in the 10th house because the 10th house represents the south direction and Mars is the lord of the south direction. The signs of Mars are Aries and Scorpio and it is honored in the Capricorn zodiac sign. Therefore, Ruchka Yoga will be formed if Mars is placed in any of the cardinal houses and its sign is either Aries, Scorpio, or Capricorn. Significance of Ruchka Yoga. The full benefit of Ruchka Yoga can be obtained if Mars is responsible for creating the yoga and there is no influence of any other planet. However, if there is a favorable influence on Mars, the positive results will be more noticeable and could appear in the early years of life. But the positive result of Ruchka Yoga will not be permanent if there is a negative influence of malefic planets on Mars. The best part is that people with Ruchka Yoga is in their horoscope are very courageous, hardworking, and famous. A strong Mars indicates that you have immense physical strength and are dominant in combat. Effect of Ruchka Yoga. Mars represents valor, power, energy, defense, and conflict. Based on these attributes, Mars infuses the native with the spirit of adventure, courage, and authority. Ruchka Yoga has many more effects on a person's life. Some of them are: a person with Ruchka Yoga is strong, courageous, and a destroyer of enemies. The native could be the commander of an army or the leader of a gang of thieves. A person born in Ruchka Yoga is good looking with a royal bearing. People with Ruchka Yoga in their birth chart are full of enthusiasm and aggression. They are energetic and well built. Most of them have a thin waist and an oval shaped face. When Ruchka Yoga is formed in the horoscope, the native is blessed with considerable property, name, and fame. All the struggles of life are overcome with ease. A native with Ruchka Yoga has visible caliber and possesses all material comforts of life.